give you an idea, they were lovely. I prefer when I got medals because I could carry them. Some of them are the European Championships, singles, ladies doubles, or mixed doubles. I've had great fun. Now there I am playing in Seattle. I'm just 22. I won it. And I won the singles of British Columbia, Canada. And I used to love, because when I played in a tournament, they always flew the Irish flag. And if you were having a bad day and you looked up and you saw the Irish flag, you won. Yeah. It all started me going for a walk with my dad one mild winter's day. I had to pass Brookfield and Trinity where they played tennis. And I watched with my dad. I was 13, not quite 13. I thought it was lovely. And I said to Dad, I'd love to play that. And my birthday was coming on in 2 months' time. So I got a racket. And I would watch people. And I'd say, as long as you hit it over the net, into the court, you won. So I followed that, and I used to practice against a handball alley. And you can't beat a handball alley. So I could keep the ball going 100 times. So when it came to a court, I had no trouble. And I have a medal that I shouldn't have. I played in a tournament in Baltic States. I won't say which one. I won the ladies' singles. I didn't play in the doubles. And they were short in the men's doubles. A man dropped out suddenly. So I said, I'll play. I have little shorts and I'll put my head. So they wouldn't change the draw. They said, we'll put you in it. So off I went. And the man I was playing with was about 6'6", tall and wide. So he couldn't run, very strong. So he said, "Oh, me in broken English, what'll I do?" I said, "You stay at net and I'll run around." And he said, "If they give a big lob," I said, "I'll get there. You stay there and I'll get it back and I'll get back to my place." Now it's illegal because it was an ITF tournament. But anyhow, so we end up in the final. Oh, consternation. So we won it. Now, in the records it might be Mr. Byrne or something like that. But I'll tell you something, I never met more frustrated doubles men in all my life. I enjoyed it, I had great fun. They were very frustrated.